Hi, my name is Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to make a jumping cut in Final Cut Pro for a movie. First, I'm going to start off with this clip of me walking to the door. Now, what I want to accomplish is having my body jump forward without making it look like it's a bad cut. So the rule of thumb there is to typically, right when the person is in the camera, go forward 1 second. You're going to simply do this just by hitting Shift and the right button. That's going to jump my playhead forward 1 second. Now I'm going to hit the B button twice to open up my double blade and just select right where the playhead is. Next, I'm going to go ahead 2 seconds. So just hold Shift and press the right arrow twice, and that'll jump my body ahead. And use the blade again. Now I'm going to hit A and delete that middle section. Now I'm going to jump ahead 2 more seconds. And I'm going to blade it again. And now 2 more seconds. And cut out that middle section. Now this rule of thumb isn't always true. Sometimes the cuts look weird, so you may have to adjust it throughout. But now all I'm going to do is close the gaps. And my body's going to be jumping forward seamlessly. My name is Zach, and I just showed you how to make a jump cut with Final Cut Pro in a movie.